Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I did a thing last week. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to check something out, getting something that is exactly what I wanted and a little bit more. So you'll see when we get there, but right now I'm stuck in rush hour traffic in Hartford, so I'll probably be here a while. I'm a very irresponsible person. There's a 914 in the driveway, a ragtop in the garage, and a car you'll never see over there. So let's add another car to the driveway. I bought a wrecker. This is my new 1972 Dodge W300 wrecker. And not only is it a wrecker, this wrecker, if you're noticing now, if you're a keen viewer, is blue and white. Because it was ordered in corporate blue and white, new, for a Chrysler Plymouth dealer in 1972. It's a W300 dually. It's the biggest light truck Dodge made, and it has a PJ Ortiz wrecker body on it, which is fancier than a Holmes or a Weldbilt. This is a fancy wrecker. They're very sought after, actually. I'm gonna have to learn how to use it, but it's a 1972, first year of the new body style, which is why I think there's actually a brochure from Chrysler showing service trucks you can get in this color scheme. I think it was like a, hey, we've got a new truck style for the first time in a long time. Get service trucks, please. So the interior is actually really clean. It's an Adventurer trim level, black vinyl interior. The seat's actually in nice shape. Unfortunately, it's torn over there. Black door panels, black dash, no headliner. This is the other door panel. So it's not bad. It's a lot better than the other truck. You can see it's probably had a few retouches, but this is the original color scheme, corporate blue and white. Yeah, you can see actually where they repainted this side. The other side I'll show you before we get there. Corporate blue came down at an angle. This is from Amaral Motors in Newtown, Connecticut, and you can see right here it says Motors, up here Amaral. And a better shot of the Chrysler Plymouth. You could order these when you're at a dealership. You could order them from Chrysler for like $6. Town of Newtown. Here's a better shot you can see. So the roof is corporate blue. Comes down corporate blue, hard line, white, corporate blue with the trim, corporate blue, white. And then I think all the top surfaces and the rails are corporate blue to match there. And I would assume it probably said something on the boom, but not anymore. It's got dollies. They look like they were blue too. I don't know what color the wheels were, if they were white or blue, but it does. I looked at it. I did what you're not supposed to do. And I went and looked at it in the dark while it was raining, and it was more of a deluge than a rain. So there's that. So it's a little worse in the dry. I know there's a few holes in the frame. He did tell me around the spring areas it was getting a little rusty, and he wasn't wrong. I just, didn't look. But these are, we got these floors. Oh well. Had rubber mats. I've got the seat. Dodge trucks always, someone buys the seat out of the truck before they sell the truck. I don't understand. What's this say? Attention. Never put your body out of the hatch opening when the car is in motion. What hatch? Unless he stole that from a car. Oh. There's stuff there. Oh, we're gonna have to look at all that stuff. Hold on. I don't want to look at it yet. I don't want to look at it. What's on the other side? Now that I know there's stuff there. I really, honest to God, didn't know there was stuff in there. I haven't looked at this car. Like I said, when I went to look at it, it was nighttime and it was deluge, and I actually drove 2 hours to go look at it with the traffic. So I kind of looked, said, okay, here's money, and left. And I didn't even go and pick it up. I had it shipped because this is a huge vehicle. Glove box. What's in the glove box? Fuse and flashers, yeah. Turn signals. What is this? Gain the competitive edge in today's towing with the scoop. Haha, that's a wheel lift. What is this? Towing locked vehicles. Oh, it's the towing manual. How to tow cars. Dodge Omni. Quality car. What else have we got? Plug wires. Ruler from Georgetown Motors, Georgetown, Connecticut. Never even heard of that. Old school screwdriver. Oh. A reg. An original reg. You can't see that. What else we got? Big bolts. A hide a key. Probably has a key for this in it. A matchbook. Some pencils. Alright, I want to see what that paper... Well, let me show you the engine. So, I was at work when it got delivered, so Eric had to move it. It runs. Not well. Needs a carburetor rebuild. Oh, come on. Yep, big hood. So, we'll do that. That's the battery from the police car. So, it's a 360, from my understanding. At least it was a 360 according to the VIN. Look at this, there's stuff written in here. We're going to be able to... On M330 on both fenders. 1263. This sucks. So it has its equipment identification tags in there. You know, Dodge is infinitely wise. I should rather say the Chrysler Corporation. And they call this a plate. It's a laminated piece of paper stuck in a terrible spot. If they stuck it behind the seat, in the glove box, no, they stuck a laminated piece of paper in the engine bay and expected you to use this to refer to any equipment on this vehicle. So this truck was big enough to have two, and they're both unreadable. You cannot read anything, which sucks, because that would have rear axle ratios, engine, special equipment. You know, cars had the metal tag, trucks got stickers. Let's see. I'm gonna grab that stuff down gently. I'm gonna put it on the hood, and we're gonna see what that stuff is. This also has the Bird Bath Power Wagon hood, because it's cool. Alright guys, so we've got some information now. That envelope was the actual Parkway permit, or rather it was the Parkway permit from 1986. It showed the VIN number for this truck and the original registration number as Connecticut Wrecker 722, which means I'm now on the hunt for record plate 722. If you can find it, give me an email. There's a map of Litchfield County. That's what that is. I put it back. That registration matches, obviously. So we've got some more digging to do. Probably better without the light, actually. I've got some more digging to do. So let's go digging. I'm gonna take the light, actually. We're going under the seat. Because I know there's stuff under here. I saw it. Oh yeah. Yeah, all sorts of stuff down here. Let me pull that out. Probably leave the old rags. There's papers and such. So we'll do that. So what do we got? That looks like a note for like instructions on how to get somewhere. That's some wrecker memorabilia about a winch. Let's see, I'll show you. Impossible grabs at impossible somethings. That's a gas station receipt, credit receipt. And that's backwards, which means I think it's actually wrote on that side, but can't read it too well. Otherwise, nothing else under the seat. It's got GM formats, those have to go. Did I mention the original flashlight? Very cool. Let's see if the radio works, right? What is this? Solid state? It's AM. Oh yeah. Let's see if the light comes on. Oh yeah, light works. Speaker doesn't. It's a little sad. Instrument lights work. Oh, let's see if the CV works. We just gently. I'm gonna keep all this important stuff out so I can bring it in. Alright, CB. Oh yeah. It works. Oh, it's a 4x4 by the way. You didn't know. Well guys, that's the wrecker. I hope you enjoyed the video. There's gonna be a few more. We're gonna do a first drive, you know, getting it running better, first wash, so stick around on the channel for that. That'll be soon. Probably the next few videos are gonna be on this. So make sure to check out those videos when they come out. Hopefully you enjoyed this one. I am super pumped for this vehicle. It is so cool. It's like, it's a wrecker, which I've always wanted. It's a Mopar wrecker, 2 points, and it's a dealership wrecker, hitting all the bars. So like, this is the ultimate wrecker for me. And it's the first year of this body style, my favorite body style, 72 to 80. So everything, like, it couldn't be any better. So until the next time guys, take care and I'll see you later. Bye guys.